Okay, we are going to be doing a Sleigh Bell Bucks today. This is a $5 ticket. Now, I gotta admit, we got this ticket because it is very shiny. You can see that glitter there. So, simple game here. Just getting our symbols, matching them up. If you get any of these, you get the prize. You have to get the whole row to get the prize. So, starting off with fireplace, which we have here, of course. They're going to give it to you in the best row. Any there? No. Okay, next one. Crown. Got a crown there. Crown here. Crown there. No crown there. All right, next one. Money bag. Money bag. Not there, not there. Just one. Just one money bag. Reindeer. Got one there.
Rudolph.
Yeah. Reindeer.
Right there.
Huh?
In that row.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. None of these. Okay. Next we have holly. Got one there. One there. And none in the bottom.
You're better with pictures than you are words.
Yeah, I guess. Okay, got the wreath. There we go, one there. Good to see one in that top row. Help us at least break even, hopefully. Got another wreath. Wreath down there. Did I miss any?
No.
I don't think so. Okay.
I hope you get a tree.
Yeah. All right, star. Do I have any?
Nope.
Nope, no star. Okay, Santa.
Aww.
Do I have him?
No.
Yeah. All right, card. There we go. Christmas card. That's it. Coin. Okay. No other. Train. Yep, and then we get the train there. Train here. I know I've seen a couple of them. Train there. No other train. All right, diamond. Don't think we have any.
Mm-mm.
There's the tree.
Woo!
Tree. First one on that row. Tree there. Okay. Cocoa. That's cute.
It'd be cuter if it got a surprise.
Well, we do have it in a ton of these rows.
Yeah.
Looking for that mitten and the drum for the break even. All right, the ring. I don't see any.
Mm-mm. Oh, you missed a holly.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, stocking. Got it there. Got it there. Here. Here. A lot of stocking. Any others?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Snowman. Are we already dead in the water? Looks
Yep.
like it. Yep. And the drum. Any other drum? Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
We're not
one
gonna
right there.
we're not gonna win, but
It's
yeah.
still aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah. Well, no winner there, but you know
See what you would have won.
How could we not get this? What's this? Probably like 10,000, 1,000, $1,000 if we had the old horn, but
No, look at the other ones too.
but alas.
I'm curious.
Oh sure. 500. Is this 250? Yeah, it was 100. 25, 15, 10, and 5. Interesting. Kind of an odd breakdown here.
Yeah.
That just goes,
You go from 25 to 100.
yeah, and then from the 1,000 to the 50,000. But no prize winner today.